What people should know before wrapping their vehicle. Hey guys, my name is Abel from AB Custom Wraps. Welcome to another episode of the Wrap Lounge. And today we're going to be covering what you should know before wrapping your vehicle. One of the main important parts is the condition of your paint. You want to make sure your paint is in a good conditions for any film to stick on. So vinyl, PPF, or commercial graphics are gonna bond to the surface of your vehicle. So this surface needs to be at its best conditions for a long lasting wrap. Each and every single one will price different, and each and every single one will have a different installation approach. So that's it for today's Wrap Lounge episode. So if you want to learn more about wraps, make sure to check us out on our next episode.